He want to play with you. No, he want to scratch you too.
It's itchy.
Yeah, he's itchy. Like that.
Like that. Like that.
He's itchy. Maybe he need medicine like you.
Yeah, like it's itchy. Like the medicine.
Yeah.
That's what the thing. What's smelling her thing? What's her smelling hand? I don't know the smelling. What is this?
He want tickle.
Look at that. Look at her nails. They're long.
Yeah, he got long legs. Because he's a big dog.
Yeah. Look like a big dog.
Let's go.
They're not getting me.
No, he likes you. Let's go for a walk now.
Woo! I like her ears.